Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can use emotes and Roblox block roots. So let's start. First head to Roblox and select avatar on the left side. Then hover over animations on the right and click on emotes. Next, click on equip emotes at the top right of this section. You'll see different emotes available. Choose a slot or emote to add or remove them by clicking the cross. You can get more emotes from the recommended section or the marketplace. Once you've set up your emotes, head to Blox Fruits. In the chat at the top left, type this, followed by the emote's name or its corresponding number from the emote wheel in Roblox. For example, type this to perform the emote, and there you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.